Hello everyone, I am K. Narsimurthy, working as an assistant professor in the Government First Aid Women's College, Tumkur. Today I am going to present the video for the course BSc and the subject is physics. The topic which I am discussing is in the paper Semiconductor Devices, Digital Electronics, Laser and Fiber Optics. And the topic which I am presenting today is binary addition and binary subtraction. This is for the 5th semester student and especially for the Tumkur University students. Here we are going to learn addition of binary numbers with a method called 2's complement. And also we are doing binary subtraction using 2's complement method. Before going to the 2's complement method, we need to understand some of the rules which is related to this binary addition. Okay, this computer will not process this decimal number, but it only processes the binary number. To understand how the computer performs this mathematical operations, one needs to understand the addition of binary numbers very well. For that, we need to go through some of the rules which is related to binary numbers. And the rules are, I'll go one by one. The first rule is 0 plus 0 will be 0. It looks very simple, but this is related to binary numbers. That is why we need to understand this. In a sense, if nothing is added to nothing, will gives you nothing. And the second rule is 1 plus 0 will be 1 because these are binary numbers. Be careful, not the decimal numbers. 1 added to nothing will gives 1. And the third rule is 0 plus 1 will gives you 0, means nothing added to 1 will gives you 1. And the last one is little tricky. If 1 plus 1 will be 1 0, it is not 2 here because it's a binary thing, binary numbers. So 1 plus 1 is actually the 2, but in the binary 2 is 1 0. Right, 1 is added to 1 will gives you 1 0. Okay, the binary number system, it gives you 1 0. These are some of the rules which we actually require to understand this binary addition. Now these are the problems where you can understand this binary additions better. Let's go for the first problem. This is 1 0 and 1 1. I am going to add this 1 0 to this 1 1. Okay, right. So 0 1, 0 plus 1 will be 1. So 0 plus 1 will be 1. And here in the second, it is 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is actually 2, but in the binary, it is 1 0. So instead of writing 2 here, we have to write 1 0. Okay. Now the answer for this is 1 0 1. Okay. We'll move on to the second example. Second example is 1 0 1 1 adding to the 1 1 0 1. So we have to move from left to the right. Any addition for that matter, we know that we will move from left to the right. Go on adding the digits from left side to the right side. That means to say least significant bit to the most significant bit. Now this 1 1 is added first. 1 1 will gives you 1 0. I am writing 0 here and this 1 will goes here. Okay. Now this becomes 1 1. This 1 1 will be 1 0 again. I'll write 0 here and this 1 will goes here, carry, and this 1 will add it to this one. Again this will be 1 0. I'll write only 0. This 1 will goes here. Now 1 plus 1 plus 1 will become 3. 3 in the binary means 1 1. So finally we have to write 1 1 here. So the answer will be 1 1 0 0 0. I've given you another example of adding 1 0 0 1 to 1 1 1. It's a very simple thing. 1 1 will gives you 1 0. Only write 0 here and 1 goes here. 1 plus 1 becomes 1 0. Write 0. 1 goes here. 1 plus 1 becomes 1 0. Write 0. Again 1 goes here. And finally 1 plus 1, you have to write 1 0 finally. In a similar way, we can add the three binary numbers, exactly the same method. Okay, first add the two binary numbers 101 and 111. It will gives you 1100. After adding the two binary numbers, then add another binary number to this answer. It will give you the final answer. Very simple way of adding. Okay, so this is a simple addition of binary numbers. Move on to the next thing, which is binary subtraction. In the binary subtraction, we should understand some of the very basic things here. 0 minus 0 will be 0, and 1 minus 0 will be 1. 1 minus 1 will be 0. Here it is 2, means 1 0. 1 0 minus 1 will be 1. Okay, you have to be careful with this one. 1 0 minus 1 will be 1. Now we'll move on to the examples here. 1 minus 0, as we know, it is 1. 0 minus 1 you cannot do. You have to take a borrow here. If you take a borrow here, this becomes 1 0. 1 0 minus 1, as I told you, it is 1. Now this digit becomes 0. 0 minus 0 will be 0. And finally it is 1 minus 1 will be 0. It's a very simple example. Very simple example. And I have taken another example of subtracting 1000 from 1011. This is called the subtrahand, and this is called minehand. The number from which I am subtracting is minehand. The other number will be subtrahand. Okay. 1 minus 0 is 1. Again 1 minus 0 is 1. And 0 minus 0 is 0. And 1 minus 0, 1 minus 1 will be 0. It's a very, very simple problem. Very simple problem. No need to take any borrow from that, and even no complications in that problem. Very simple problem. Yes, this is the method which I am going to discuss. This is 2's complement method. Now the 2's complement of a given binary number is the number that result by adding 1 to the 1's complement. It's a simple thing, adding 1 to the 1's complement. Then what is 1's complement? 1's complement is complement of each bit. Suppose 5 bits are given. Each bit you complement it, you will get 1's complement. And add 1 to the 1's complement, you will get 2's complement. Very simple thing, very simple thing. 2's complement is equal to 1's complement plus 1. Okay, as I told you that 2's complement is 1's complement plus 1. This is an example. This is a very simple example. 1's complement of 1011. Each bit has to be complemented to get 1's complement. There the first bit is 1. 1's complement means if 1 is there, 0. If 0 is there, you have to write 1. So 1 is here, so you have to write 0. 0 is here, you have to write 1. Again 1 is here, you have to write 0. Again 1 is here, you have to write 0. So 1's complement of 1011 is 0100. Next step is add 1 to 1's complement. Take the 1's complement 0100 and add 1 to this. If I add 1 to this, it becomes 0101. Very simple problem. So this is the 2's complement of this number 1011. Now how we found the 2's complement? First step is to find 1's complement, means each bit has to be complemented. Second step is add 1 to the 1's complement. The resulting number will be the 2's complement of the given number. Now, subtraction by the 2's complement. There is a method here to do the subtraction using this 2's complement method. The first step is 2's complement of the subtrahand is found out. Subtrahand is a second number. The number from which we are doing the subtraction is minehand, and the second number is a subtrahand. Now we are handling the subtrahand first. We are doing the 2's complement of the subtrahand. After doing the 2's complement, we are adding the subtrahand, means 2's complement of the subtrahand to the minehand. Okay. Next, after addition, if the final carryover of the sum is 1, if the final carryover of the sum is 1, it is dropped and the result is positive. Result is positive. Suppose if carry is 0, if there is no carry, then the 2's complement of the sum will be the result. Okay, this is a little complicated. If there is no carry, the answer will be the 2's complement of the sum which we did will be the result, but it is negative. If we get a carry, it is positive. If we don't get a carry finally, it is negative. So with the problems, with these things will be very much clear. Okay. So I have taken the problem. The first number is the main hand. Okay. And the second number is the subtrahend. Now the thing is, take the subtrahend first. Take the second number first. So for this subtrahend, do the first one's complement first. One's complement, how will you do the first one's complement? As I told you earlier, each bit has to be complemented. Here it is 0, then the first one's complement, it will be 1, 0, again 1, 0, again 1, 0, 1, 0, again it will be 1. Now after that, 1 you write 0, 0 you write 1, 1 you write 0. So each bit of the subtrahend has to be complemented to get one's complement. After getting one's complement, add 1 to the one's complement to get 2's complement. Now simply add 1 here. Okay. So 0 plus 1 will be 1, and this 1 we retain as it is, all the digits we write as it is. So this is the 2's complement of the subtrahend. First thing is to find the true 2's complement of the subtrahend. That is over. After that, add main hand to this 2's complement. Now we take this first digit, which we call it as main hand, and this is added to the 2's complement of the subtrahend. Now this adding 1 plus 1 will be 1, 0. So 1 will goes here, write 0. 1, 1, 1 will becomes 3. 3 means 1, 1. So write 1 here. Again 1 goes here. 1 plus 1 will be 1, 0. Write 0. Again 1 goes here. 1 plus 1 plus 1 will be 3. That means 1, 1. Write 1. 1 goes here. Again it's 1, 0. Again this will be 1, 0. Again it will be 1, 1. Again the last thing will be 1, 0. Okay. So this is the sum which we are getting by adding the main hand to the 2's complement of the subtrahend. Now this is not the answer. This is not the final answer. Still we have to analyze the thing. Now look at the carry, final carry. If you look at the final carry, it is 1. There is a carry here. Now the thing is, you drop the carry, you neglect the carry, and the resulting number, the sum, will be the answer. So this gives you the result and it is positive. Okay. So you have to drop this carry. The answer will be 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Suppose in case if you get a 0 as a carry, if you get 0 as a carry, now the thing is you have to the 2 sum to the 2's complement will, I'll come to that problem, but the result will be negative. Sum has to be 2's complemented again. Okay, I'll come to such a kind of problem where the carry is 0. Right, this is the second problem. Okay, again the step is take the subtrahend and do the one's complement of it. Means each bit has to be complemented. After doing the one's complement, add 1 to this to get 2's complement. After getting 2's complement, okay, add main hand to this. If I add main hand, then I got the result here. Look at the final carry. The final carry will decide the answer. Now the final carry I am getting as 1 again. If final carry is 1, neglect it or drop it, and this number will gives you the result. This is the result without this carry, and the number is positive. Now the answer is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. So that is the answer for this second problem. Again, this one and the second problem are exactly similar. I am getting carry 1 in both the problems. We'll move to the other kind of problem where the carry is 0. I hope this problem will have a carry 0. Now we'll do this. Again, we'll start with the same procedure. Okay, take the subtrahend and do the ones complement of the subtrahend. So here the subtrahend is 11010. Now I did the ones complement. I mean to say each bit is complemented. 1 I have written 0, 1 0, 0 I have written 1. For 1 I have written 0. For 0 I have written 1. So that is ones complement. After that, add 1 to the ones complement. If I add 1 to this, so 1 1 will be 1 0, right? 0 here and 1 goes here. So this will be 1 and this will be 1 and this is 0 0. So I got a 2's complement now. After getting a 2's complement, add the first number, that is minor hand, to this 2's complement of the subtrahend. Now this minor hand is added to this. If I add this, okay, I am not getting the carry here. Final carry is 0. Means I am not getting any carry finally. If no carry, the answer will be negative. One thing. But this is not the answer. This is not the answer. There is one more thing. Therefore, 2's complement of the sum. This is the sum I am getting by adding minor hand to the 2's complement of the subtrahend. For this sum, you have to take the 2's complement. So 2's complement of this sum means first we have to do 1's complement. Write the 1's complement 0 0 0 1 1 and add 1 to the 1's complement. Okay, I am getting this number 0 0 1 0 0. This is the answer and it is negative. You have to be very careful. If I add a if I add a 2's complement of a subtrahend to the minor, if carry is 0, then the answer will be the negative. The difference will be the negative. But answer will be the 2's complement of the sum. Answer will be the 2's complement of the sum. Okay. But in the first two problems case, in the first two case, I am getting carry as 1. There is no problem if I get a carry as 1. Drop the carry and the sum will be the answer and the difference is positive. This is the way we can do the subtraction with the 2's complement method. Yes. So today we have learned how to find out a 2's complement of a given number and then how to do a subtraction using this 2's complement method. And these are the books which I have referred. Some of the good books I have listed here. You just go through these books and you get enough of materials from the internet also. Okay. So you just go through it, solve many number of problems. You will you keep on practicing the problems. You will understand this binary addition and subtractions better. Okay. So thank you very much.